Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove compatibility mode from Microsoft Excel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up the top left. Go down and select Options to the bottom left. And select Save on the left side. And then where it says Save Files in this format, click inside the drop down here. And you can change the format. I would recommend just setting it to Excel workbook. And then you're going to go ahead and select OK. Select File, and then Save As, and then save it to anywhere on your computer at this point. If you're going to save it to desktop or documents folder perhaps. And again, save as type. Make sure it's set to Excel workbook, and then you just would save it. And that's all you pretty much have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.